My name is Mark Patempa. I'm from Warwick, New York.
I'm Nick. I'm from New York.
My name is Joey Houston.
My name is Earl Houston.
My name is Lance.
And I'm Michelle from Texas.
You guys definitely exceeded my expectations. I mean, I'm really impressed.
My expectations were definitely exceeded. The presentations that were laid out for us was amazing.
The experience of the Good Life Discovery trips was beyond my expectations, and that's coming from someone who's been here many times.
The value that we've received from this has just been absolutely outstanding, far exceeding expectations.
All of the valuable information we've learned, and we got to sit down and speak in a close room with experts in the field, not just real estate, but government agents too.
I feel like everyone right now is in the same mindset of growth and potential and excitement.
And when we first came here, we went back home and we said to each other, El Salvador is now our plan B.
Architect and engineer were the most eye-opening. I didn't understand time frame for buying a piece of land and how long it took to build and get a completed product.
The fact that I didn't see any crime, everything in terms of people were just straight kindness.
But I discovered and learned more about your history here than I ever imagined on a half-day tour that you arranged for us, which was fantastic. It was absolutely great.
It's just been a much more intimate experience than I thought it would be.
Don't hesitate. Come to one of these as soon as you can.
I love the fact that the property tax is one time on the purchase and then you never pay more property tax again.
The tax laws here are friendly to investors, and it's simple.
Talking to the lawyers and the rules and how simple they are.
How simple it is to buy real estate here.
And I'll say it again. Don't hesitate. Book this as soon as you can and come experience it.
I think that every Bitcoiner should come to El Salvador and experience it because social media doesn't do it justice.
I get so excited when I see local people accepting Bitcoin.
So to actually see it in use and see how easy it was to buy things with Bitcoin.
You want to invest somewhere where you're early. You want to invest somewhere where the laws and regulations protect the investors. And you want to invest somewhere where the future is bright.
In El Salvador, it's coming up. They seem to really care about the people and people's personal property and people's rights. And this feels like a welcoming place where I can use my talents and help everybody else. Yes, 100% recommend it. It's a must-see, must-do. This experience was worth every penny of the money being asked.
So when I saw that this company, Good Life, offered that, it was the perfect match, and I mean, you guys took care of everything.
If you want to experience all the different regions in El Salvador, Good Life is the way to go. Yeah, get down here now.